Hi, hello, good evening, friends. This is Ashwin from Wind Training India. I'm into law of attraction coaching for corporate companies and individuals. How are you? How was the day? I am live here in FB after coaching my client, and it's been a very fantastic day in terms of understanding this law of attraction. And quite 12 years, I'm enjoying the journey of understanding the law of attraction and helping and individually attaining my own destiny. Right, friends? So, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, good night to all my FB viewers across the globe. Okay, so I want to talk about how exactly the law of attraction works and how we can apply to achieve our goal or manifest our dream or come out of the depth or have a harmonious relationship, and why it is not applicable for many people and what are the missing part, right? So my name is Ashwin. I am into law of attraction coaching for last 12 years, and I came into this law of attraction after my lot of tragic business failure. I got into network marketing at the age of 12 when I was doing my first year of my college, and I did first network marketing called Herbalife International, which is into weight reduction and health management. And I did a lot of network marketing, and I was having a huge turnover of money. Every day I was enjoying going to meeting, conference, eating in the star hotel. But what happened during the course of my business, I underwent bankruptcy because of my not having right team and a lot of ignorance in the business strategy. So I lost all money at the age of 25. I was totally in the depth of 20 lakhs, that is the quarter of a million. And I was totally don't know what to do. My family discarded me. My marriage got stopped, and everywhere I was in a dilemmatic situation. No money, no food. I used to read in the bookshop. I used to eat in the roadside, and life was very dilemmatic. I do not know what I want to do, and because I used to have a very big thinking stating that I will come up in life, I want to be a multi-millionaire, I want to do that and this. Everything was failed and shackled, and everywhere I was in very tough situation. At that point, I came across another network marketing called skyquestcom.com from Singapore, and one of the Singapore trainer introduced to the movie called Secret, and that is where I could understand that something is there. And that trainer introduced to the Secret. I didn't understand anything about the Secret because a lot of teachers used to come and talk about the Secret. Bob Proctor, John Higlin, John Ashraf, Bill Harris, Lisa Nicholas, everyone are talking something about it. I didn't understand some messages is there, but except one thing, that Bob Proctor finally ended the movie stating that see the movie again and again, hold on the image of your dream and get emotionally connected to the universe and see that it will manifest whatever you do. And I was just blindly seeing the movie hundreds of times whenever I have free time, whenever I'm having my breakfast, dinner, and slowly things started changing and I started getting into different level of understanding. And I did another network marketing called Omega India Limited from Malaysia, and I used to do a lot of business meeting. And one of my Malaysian friend, when we were having dinner, he told, Ashwin, you talk so much about the law of attraction. Why can't you come to Malaysia and conduct the training? I told him, I'm totally bankrupt. I don't have money. I don't have passport. Let's see it. No, Ashwin, definitely you will come. I'm very sure about it. And he left India. To his fortune, what happened? After many times, one of the person from Malaysia, he sent a mail stating that would I be interested to come to Malaysia and do the training. I didn't understand who is this person, why is this person sponsoring me. And I told him, sir, I am totally bankrupt, I don't have passport, I don't have money to come. Don't worry, I will help you. And after a few days, he called me again and he sent the money through the Western Union. I was totally blown up. I could not understand why this person is sending the money and why I want to come into Malaysia. And somewhere I found that the law of attraction is vibrating with me. And I bought the ticket, and first time I went into Malaysia, everywhere I understand that the law of attraction is working. I did the training and I came back. I started digging upon that how exactly the law of attraction works, and today my life has changed and I want to share the tools and tips, right? So what exactly the law of attraction is, whatever the image we hold in the mind and the vibration we radiate, it resonates with the universe and we attract the situation, client, customers. No, it doesn't have any bias, whether you are good or bad, whether you're from India or Africa or America, it doesn't have any difference. It just resonates to your vibration. No, so every day it takes some time to define and understand who you are, what kind of vibration we are emitting. Now the problem is the hypnosis of social conditioning. That means that unconsciously I've been programmed at the subconscious level without my knowledge, how I have been brought up, the exposure I had, the education I had, all those become some kind of a mental block which retards us in terms of understanding the things, situation. No. So I unconsciously emit negative energy, negative vibration. I attract negative people, negative situation. Even though money I get it, it doesn't sustain for a long time. No. So you need to change that dimension, and this is done through the rising of your consciousness, and this requires lot of practice of meditation. Right, since I am from India, the meditation is the key thing which rises your consciousness, and chanting of mantra. So every day take some time, at least an half an hour twice a day, do meditation and try to define and cleanse all your negative thoughts, old thoughts. This totally changes your dimension, and you will see it a thoughtless state, and that is a state where you attract a lot of cosmic energy. When you attract a lot of cosmic energy, the way you see things will be very perfect. It will have a wider perspective of you. You are able to take right decision. You avoid negative people. The money will flow in abundance, and you attract a lot of customers. So this is what is the law of principle. But the problem in the secret movie is they didn't discuss the fact that the mind can be extremely powerful or extremely feeble. No. So you might have seen a person, a child would be drawing a cycle, and suddenly the grandfather would have come and give the cycle. But at the same time, if you see the second part of the secret where a girl will be seeing a pearl necklace, but she could not attract the pearl necklace. The reason is that she didn't understand that how exactly the mind can be extremely powerful. That means the brain will either use it or lose it. If you don't engage the brain in some activity and totally be in the absolute certainty, right? This takes some practice and the training of individual, right? As a coach, as a trainer, I understood this, and I first before make sure that the mental block has to be broken up. So what are the mental blocks we have been inherited from the childhood days, from the young days, and how we have been brought up, the exposure we had, the education we had, all those become some kind of conditioning, or we can call it as a paradigm shift, right? Now that paradigm shift has to be changed from poverty consciousness to abundant consciousness, right? Once you get into that level and be in the absolute certainty, and the visualization is the key part. When you visualize, it materializes, and that is the where the how you kept your vision, dream, and this requires the brain function, right? So you might have seen that some kind of experience in the past or some kind of a situation, we keep on replay that situation again and again. Now what happens if it is a good experience, we be in the pleasurable zone, but unconsciously what happens most of the time, we replay old situations with some kind of a painful or agony or some kind of a traumatic experiences. Now unconsciously we radiate negative vibration, and this requires lot of practices where you chant certain mantras. And if anyone is interested in doing meditation, please give your WhatsApp number. I will upload the meditation. I given my WhatsApp number is that. Okay. At the same time, they didn't discuss the fact the power of the mind. Right? Now this takes focus and clarity of what exactly do you want. So sit down every day and try to define who you are, what you are, what exactly I want. Right? What kind of person I want to be, what do I want to achieve. Maybe I want to attract money, attract multiple sources of income, attract house, whatever it is, attract car, whatever it is. Sit down, take a paper and try to clear what exactly do you want, because this universe is very friendly and it gives you whatever you want, provided you need to be very clear in the thought process, right? So once you have a clarity and be in the absolute certainty, no, either we are always speculating about the future or worrying about the past. Now this dilemmatic situation creates some kind of a negative vibration and turbulent, and the universe says your wishes is my command now. So do everyday meditation, and this is where the missing gap is there, and I've been very fortunate to understand this and manifest my goals, attract multiple sources of income and attain everything. And I want you to be benefited, right? So every day do meditation and chant mantras, and I've given my WhatsApp number that if anyone is really interested, you can connect to my WhatsApp number along with your country ISTD code and photo. I'll upload the meditation. At the same time, I have created a WhatsApp group link called as Law of Attraction India group. If it is mainly for people who want to learn about the law of attraction, get 2 steps, or attract multiple sources of income, or expand the business, whatever it may be, they can link to the WhatsApp group link. I'll be very much interested to help you and guide you in all aspects. Right, friends? So do meditation every day and raise your consciousness. If you have any doubt, if you have any queries, you can ping me up and just bye.